Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that is sure to make life easier for pet owners, the SONGMICS 20 Panels Pet Playpen with Floor, model ULPC001W01. We found this product online, and if you're interested, we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the SONGMICS Pet Playpen? This is a versatile and spacious playpen designed specifically for small animals like guinea pigs, bunnies, hamsters, and hedgehogs. With dimensions measuring 49.2 by 24.8 by 16.5 inches, it provides your furry friends with a secure and comfortable environment to run, explore, and have fun. Let's dive into some of the most important features that set this playpen apart. First off, assembly is a breeze. The playpen consists of plastic panels that easily connect using multi-angle connectors. With the help of an included rubber mallet, you can have this playpen set up in no time. This modular, lightweight design not only allows for quick assembly but also makes it incredibly easy to disassemble or move around as needed. One of the standout aspects of this playpen is its spacious and secure design. The smooth panels come in two sizes, specifically designed at 15.7 inches by 11.8 inches and 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches, giving your pets little chance to escape while still providing them with ample room to roam. The floor of the enclosure enhances stability and protects your floors from scratches and messes, so you can have peace of mind while your pets play. Now, let's talk about the customizable and expandable features of this playpen. One of its greatest strengths is its flexibility. You can arrange the panels in an L shape to fit snugly in the corner of a room or even stack them to create a two-story pet house, depending on your space and the included parts. This adaptability really helps to make the most of your living area while providing a safe haven for your pets. Another great feature is the semi-transparent design of the panels. This allows you to easily observe your pets as they groom themselves, stretch out, or even take a nap. It's a joy to watch them play, and the visibility adds an extra element of engagement for pet owners. Cleaning is also a breeze with the SONGMICS playpen. Simply wipe the surface with a damp cloth, and you're good to go. This ease of maintenance is essential for busy pet owners who want to keep their pet's play area clean without spending too much time on upkeep. So, who is this pet playpen suitable for? If you own small animals such as guinea pigs, hamsters, bunnies, or hedgehogs, this playpen is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want to provide a safe and engaging environment for their pets while also ensuring that their living space remains tidy and organized. Practical use cases of the SONGMICS Pet Playpen are plentiful. Whether you need a designated play area for your pets during family gatherings, a safe space for them to exercise indoors during inclement weather, or even a temporary enclosure while cleaning their primary habitat, this playpen can adapt to your needs. In summary, the SONGMICS 20 Panels Pet Playpen with Floor is an ideal solution for pet owners looking to create a secure and stimulating environment for their small animals. With its easy assembly, customizable design, and simple cleaning process, it stands out as a top choice for anyone with furry friends. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.